grab my here, yeah, and try to like rest on my arm, kind of like that way, you know. Like,
Sam, we need to all practice Qigong then. Okay, so that's
and you're being
Yeah.
yeah, you're not hesitating, huh?
No,
Okay.
yeah, I hold
Okay.
it, hold it.
Yeah, try to. I mean, don't worry. Go ahead, try.
My teeth too.
So yeah, that's just to show you, you know, that the fingers can direct the chi. Where the mind goes, the yi, the intention goes, the blood flows. Of course, the chi goes, the blood flows. So it's pretty much, you know, just a demonstration. Okay, Sam. So I'm gonna use you as my subject. Touch my hand. Is it callous or?
Nope.
Okay. So you can see I don't like do sandbag hitting or toughening exercises or.
You gotta have one.
Okay. So now I'm gonna direct chi to the hand, and as you can see, the hand is getting a little bit different color. Do you see it? So I'm using the awareness, the yi, the intention. So where the yi goes, the chi goes, and where the chi goes, the blood goes. So I'm gonna direct it to the fingers, and please try to resist, and please don't hesitate. Use your strength, and okay. Okay, but hold it here. Okay. That's just to show you. And I don't lift weights or anything like that. Of course, I'm a bigger guy, but you know, so you can see my fingers are very stiff. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it.